fly in 3, 2. Yay Day TV. Woo! What's up, Yay Day team? Yay Day Princess here. If it's your first time here, what's up? And welcome. It's super nice of you to join us. We hang out every Friday and Sunday, aka hashtag Fun Days. And what do we do on hashtag Fun Days? Open crazy fake toys. Do you like fake toys? Or at least think they're funny? Join the Yay Day team. You'll never guess what we're doing today, even though you already saw some. Will they have wings, a jetpack, a lot of gas? That's right, flying LOL dolls. Yes, flying LOL dolls. Will they really fly? Get your guesses ready. So first impressions, they look a little weird. The drawn LOL doll is pretty cute, but the actual LOL doll, not so much. The top says Flying Girl. It looks like there are 4 flying LOL dolls you can collect. And we're supposed to let it go straight up and not tilted. So let's find out if these things fly. Which one? Even though they're both the same. So we didn't get any blind bags, and that wasn't so great. And she's one solid piece of plastic. Also not great. But we did get a USB cord to charge her. And it looks like she has a helicopter on her head. So, moment of truth. Will she fly? Okay guys, we're gonna turn the switch on. She's gonna fly in 3, 2. Let her go. One moment, please. Okay, I think we figured it out. Let's try it again. In 3, 2, 1. She does fly. Although we didn't get the best shot of her flying, we can definitely do better. So let's open up our second one, and then we'll see how they both fly. Hashtag twins. They both look exactly the same. Let's see if they'll fly the same. Now we have more space, so let's see how they fly outside. Okay guys, here we go. Wait, Daddy told me to go one now. What? Daddy! Now we're gonna drop them from somewhere high. This high. Here we go. Whoa, these are pretty awesome. Now let's see what they look like in the dark. Whoa, who would have known that there were LOL dolls that can fly? Not too crazy about the light of eyes. But these are pretty cool. So let me know, Yay Day team, what do you think? Are these cool or not so much? Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Who's the best? You're the best. Better than the rest. Taking the test. Remember to like, share, comment, and join the Yay Day team. You know what time it is. Bye, guys. Thank you guys